Hey everybody, this is a supplemental log for October 15, 2012. I'm looking at this iron piece getting put on. Oh, now I see where they're putting it. They're going to fit it right in that slot. Wow. Wow. Hey, how you doing? This is DRICE. I'm reporting live on the construction site. It's a very slow process. It's a deliberate process. It's called Building in America. How you doing? How you feeling today? Look at this. Right, that's what I'm talking about. That's a Firebird. I wish I had that bad boy. Yep, wish I had that bad boy. Look at the inside of that classic, absolute classic. Lines on that car, huh? It ain't got no license plate, so you can't trace me. It's got no license plate. Have you a nice day. Bye-bye. Right, we're looking at that. Bye.